Good day and welcome to the channel. In this very short video, we're going to explain how to clear just a specific cookie from your browser. So let's give you a scenario. Have you ever been told that you're trying to do something on a web page and then it hasn't worked out? You haven't been able to sign in, or something hasn't displayed properly, or not displayed at all. And so you've ended up calling tech support and they've said, we don't know what's wrong. Restart your browser or clear your cookies. Well, if you know anything about using a web browser, clearing your cookies isn't probably the best thing to do, because the cookies are what store your preferences. That yes, they also store your history, and they cause great concern for a lot of people. But generally, cookies are a very helpful thing. So clearing all of your cookies is painful. So let's show you how to delete just a specific set of cookies, or just a cookie for a particular site. So let's show you the problem first. Nmax is a company that we do some business with. And when we click sign in and then enter our credentials and click sign in, it chokes. Now, if we do this in a different browser, or we do this in an in-private session, everything works just fine. So we know there's something wrong with the cookies on this particular site, and we do not want to lose all of our cookies. So how do you clear cookies for just one site? Easy. Click the three dots in the top right-hand corner. By the way, this is in Microsoft Edge, but it also applies to Google Chrome. Opera is also based on Chrome, so I suppose it would apply to Opera as well. Anyway, click the three dots in the top right-hand corner and go to Settings. And then look for Cookies and Site Permissions. And here you'll see Manage and Delete Cookies. Oh, I don't delete all my cookies. No, you don't have to. Here's the key. See all cookie data. Now, there's a lot of cookies here. And trying to go through them, I mean, you can look at the scroll bar. It just goes on forever. But you can search. So let's go to Nmax. First thing I'm going to do, by the way, is close the page. I just want it gone. And then here are things that have Nmax related to them. And here you can see I've got a bunch of sites that are all Nmax. So I'm going to delete every one of them. Back and type in Nmax. I missed one apparently. Okay, that one's gone. There we go, that's happy. So Nmax is removed. And now I would be able to go back to Nmax and sign in. I don't want to do that because I don't want you to see my account information. So hey, if you found this video useful, please give us the big thumbs up. We would super appreciate it. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, everybody has an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.